Good morning to all the participants. Good morning, Nimesh Sir. We welcome you all to the workshop of digital marketing conducted by Empirical Academy. So here to conduct the session, we have faculty Mr. Nimesh Sir. I would like to welcome Nimesh Sir with some introduction. Nimesh Sir is a founder at Chalodigital since 2017. He has more than 20 years of work experience. He has trained more than 2,500 students. He is known for 100% practical course and helping students to set up their business online. He has done MBA from Mumbai University in 2010. I would like to request Nimesh sir to start with the session. Thank you and happy learning to all of you.
Hello everyone. Hope my voice is audible. If yes, then reply to me in the chat. And this will be a two-way communication demo session and not a one-way communication like all others do. Okay. So I would request you, all of you, to participate in our conversation about digital marketing. And if you are here to learn something in the demo session for digital marketing, then we'll have to talk to each other, right? Because learning always does not happen one way; it always happens two way. So if you have new questions for me, it's a learning for me. At the same time, when I'm training you on some part, then it's a learning for you, right? So that is how our training session will be with Empirical Academy. And let's start with today's session. So basically, I believe most of us are looking forward for a career in digital marketing, correct? And that's why they want to pursue digital marketing as a skill based course with Empirical. And so let's start. What is digital marketing? So for me, there is a small definition. That's the only thing which I'm going to discuss with you in theory part. Rest everything we'll see what happens, how it happens, and all that stuff. Okay. So for me, digital marketing is a promotion of a product, service, or an individual through an online platform. Okay. It's a very simple definition that digital marketing is a promotion of a product, service, or an individual through an online platform. Okay. So online, that means on internet. Now when we talk about internet, the first thing which comes is what we are seeing on screen. Okay, so let me just share my screen to you so that you can see my screen. Can you guys see my screen as well? Is my screen visible to everyone? Okay, great. So here when we see, this is something which we use on a daily basis, correct? Google. Anything which you need, we just go on to Google and search for information. Okay. So example, you guys can give me any example what we need to search. Is there anything which comes into your mind first for today's search, that this is something which I wanted to know? Anything? Digital marketing. Okay. So Vaibhav says digital marketing. So let's search for digital marketing. Okay. So when I say digital marketing, so there are different definitions by different organizations. As you can see, the first page of digital marketing is from a company name called MailChimp. Anyone is aware about MailChimp? What it is? I have searched for digital marketing and MailChimp comes on top. And there is also a definition: digital marketing, also called as online marketing, the promotion of brands to connect with potential customers using the internet and other forms of digital communication, right? Also known as internet marketing, and there are different definitions given by different companies for digital marketing. It won't match. If you search throughout the internet, the definition of digital marketing won't match with each other. I have given my own definition, that is, digital marketing is a promotion of a product, service, or an individual through an online platform. Okay, platform can be anything like Google, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and there are many. Okay, so this is my definition. Whatever comes on the top here, okay, how this website instead of any other website, why MailChimp is coming on top? Can anyone answer me on that? Vaibhav, why MailChimp is coming on top as compared to so many companies who are doing digital marketing? There are big companies like Investopedia, HubSpot. Why MailChimp is coming on top? Adobe, Neil Patel, they are big names. Simply Learn. There are many institutes also who are fighting to come on top for this particular word due to SEO. So Akshay Kumar says SEO and Vaibhav also says SEO. So it is a very important topic like SEO, correct? So what is SEO? Search engine optimization, we know. That's a full form, right? So what is search engine? Okay. Search engine is Google, okay? Yahoo, Bing, Safari. There are many other search engines, right? These are like which helps you to get relevant results on internet. Okay. So anyone experiencing how many of you use Yahoo for any searches? And the can anyone answer me on that? How many of you use Yahoo as a search engine for any kind of search? Anyone? And if you're not using Yahoo, then why you're not using Yahoo? Vaibhav? Ashay? See, as I said, it will be a two-way communication, right? So I want you to participate. Okay? If you participate, it will be good for me as well as for you. So anyone has answer for why we use Google instead of Yahoo? Okay, so we have Shraddha. She answered, quite familiar with Google, so it becomes convenient for me to use Google rather than Yahoo. Okay, Google is easier, I guess. Okay, Afifa Parvez says Google is easier. Okay, never explored Yahoo. Prachi Jain says content for digital marketing. Dheeraj Kumar says okay, Yahoo is outdated. Vaibhav. All right, let me just tell you that what is the difference between other search engines and Google. Okay, so Google comes up with the most relevant details on internet. That means their search engine is much more powerful than Yahoo Bing, or any other search engines. Okay, Google has a software called known as bot. Okay, it indexes all the pages on the internet within 0.46 seconds or less than that. For example, for digital marketing, it search all the web pages on internet at so and so seconds, and you can see the number of results. You can see the number of results. Do you see this? I can't even count on that, but these are the number of results which I have got on this digital marketing word, or I can call this as keyword. Okay, so when we come to digital marketing, okay, there is a terminology of when we type something, it is called as keyword. Okay, and on the basis of this keyword, these are the websites which comes on top. Okay, so Google indexes all the pages on internet. Okay, like how we have a book. Okay, in book we have indexes, then we have the topics, pages, the content on it. Okay, so if we want to read something in specific, okay, we first go to the index and check that that particular topic is there or not, and on which page I will find that particular topic, right? And then directly I go into that page and search for the relevant content which I need to read. In the same way, Google has a software known as called bot. It indexes all the pages on the internet within fraction of seconds, and it searches on internet the relevant content, and as per their parameters, or you can say the algorithms which Google follows, okay, it brings the most relevant website on top. Everyone with me with this part of SEO explanation? Okay, so it is all about the software, or you can say the search engine, how much powerful it is, and what is the algorithm which they follow from the back end. Okay, so Google is much more powerful than any other search engines. That's the reason throughout the globe the highest user on search engine is on Google. Okay, so everyone is using Google only, most probably. In India, if I ask anything, then first people go on Google and search for information. Are we clear why we are not? And Yahoo and Bing, they don't have such powerful softwares, or the type of requirement which is needed for a search engine. They are still developing. They are not yet developed. Prior to Google, people were using Yahoo during 80s. Okay, but once Google came into picture, then everyone is using Google. There are many other reasons also. Just to explain you that Google has so many things which is available for us. There is Google products. You can see that there are so many things available with Google for free. Okay, that is also one of the reason that people are using Google. See, these are all things which is available for free, which you can use it with Google. And if you are a business owner, then these are all things which you can use it with Google for free. Okay, there are many development part as well. So if you are a business, you can use this. Okay, and there are many tools which can track your businesses, like analytics. If you want to become a blogger, then you have the blogger as well. So, and it is all available for free. Even Google provides educational things also on different sites, which I'll show you. if you want to build up an online presence on Google, the first presence on Google as a local search engine, like how we search for near me thing. Example, if I want um, restaurants near me, okay, then you can see that the nearby restaurants are so and so, which the name is displayed. At the same time, I can also check out the ratings, and you can see the ratings along with the address, and then we go for that particular hotel, or if or restaurant, or you don't go for that particular restaurant and you choose any other. Okay, not necessarily that the highest rating will come on top. You can see that only 17 ratings, 4.3, but if you scroll down you will find much better rating as well. And without rating also, there are people who are coming on top. So in top 10 you will find people who are without rating as well, but our priority is to come on top 3. Then we get lot of calls. What is this called? This is nothing but this is called as business profile. Okay, once you click on this, you have to create your business profile. Okay, and there are many other things which Google provides. That's why we use Google. Okay, and most of the software or digital marketing people, they use Google because it also helps you in advertising your businesses. Okay, because the more number of users, that means Google has more number of data. Okay, what do you think, guys? Google has all the information about you. Just we'll get into a two-way communication now. So wanted to ask you a few things, like have you provided your personal information to Google? Reply with a yes or a no. Okay, SP says no. Okay, have you created any Gmail account, SP? I'm not talking about the password, but if we create a Gmail account, automatically it gets your location as well. It gets your personal details, your name. Okay, and if you are logged in via your phone, it automatically captures your phone number as well. It also lets you know that how much you have traveled in a day, in a month, and where have you been throughout the year sometimes. Do you guys agree? That means it captures all type of interest, your locations, where have you been. Okay, and from that it picks up your interest as well as what you are searching online. Okay, now what if Google sells this data to advertisers? Example, if you are searching for mobile phones, okay, so Google will sell this data to mobile phone companies who are selling mobile phones. Does that make sense? For Google to make money, so Google exactly knows that how many time a mobile phone is searched on Google, and then it gives a volume to the advertisers that 1 lakh time in a month people have searched for mobile phones on Google. Do you wish to display your product on Google when someone is searching for mobile phones? Since I'm an advertiser, I would definitely want to bring my product on top of Google search engine over here somewhere. Okay, so let's take a live example. I would love to be on top when someone is searching for mobile phones. So if I'm the owner of Control Z, okay, and I am selling mobile phones, then I would love to bring my advertising on top. Okay, for this is called as a sponsored ad. That means I will pay money to Google, okay, to come on top. Okay, this is called Google ads. Okay, so it is not only Control Z who is running an ad campaign, but you have Amazon all over the place who is running an ad campaign on this particular keyword. Okay, so as we know that whatever we type here is a keyword, right? And this keyword, Amazon and Control Z has put a bidding as in they have paid the highest amount to come on top. Does that make sense, guys? Are we clear on this part? How do we run this kind of ads will be shown to you during our training. Okay, so maybe this kind of a shopping ad, or maybe a search text ad, okay, which comes on top. Here it should be mentioned as sponsored. Okay, so this is called as Google ads. Okay, how do we run this kind of ad at a very low cost? Okay, so that we get more visitors on our website, and more visitors, that means more conversions, that means more business. Okay, are we clear on this part? Hope I am going very slowly and smoothly so that everyone understands. I'm not going fast, right? Is this the pace which you like, or should I go fast? All right, so this is what it is. Now, secondly, if you are not paying anything and you wish to come on top, that is called SEO. As we discussed at the beginning of our demo session, that when someone is searching for a keyword and whatever comes in top without mention as sponsored, okay, it is called as a SEO. So that means Amazon is landing up on top on the first. Okay, and we'll see why Amazon is landing on top. Okay, so mobile phone, you can see this as a keyword, and if you see, the URL also has mobile phone, exactly the same thing which I have typed in Google. Okay, so mobile phone. So here also in the title also you will see mobile phone. In the description also you will see mobile phone. Okay, that means there are three parameters which I see on Google, that these are the three parameters, the first thing which I should follow in order to bring my website on top. That is the URL, that is the website link should contain this particular keyword. Second, the title of the page should have that keyword, that is mobile phone, and the description of the SEO, that is meta description, it is called as. It also has mobile phone, which is displayed here in bold. Okay, so these are the three things, the basic three things which one needs to follow in order to bring their website on top. And other than this, there are many other parameters as well, which will be included in our topic of SEO, that how to bring our website on top. Okay, are we clear? Anyone has any question for me? Do you guys have any question for me? You can ask. I'll be waiting for around 30 seconds for you to ask me any question, and then I will start it. Any questions for me? Anything which comes into your mind. Vaibhav says no doubt. Okay. Vaibhav, am I clear to make you understand things? Okay. So thank you, Vaibhav. One feedback for me there is I'm able to make you understand things. Okay. So let's start with the second thing. So we are talking about keywords, the volumes, and how this website comes on top. Okay. So who is providing with the data? Google. Google is providing with the data. And uh, from where it is getting the data is from the end users. We are actually the customers of Google, right? So Google is not providing anything for free. Okay, basically it is collecting data every time we are using a product of Google. Okay, so let's start with something called as Google keywords. We are talking about keywords. Okay, so I'll just click on keywords, and I'll show you how does it work. Okay, all right. So Google Ads is little bit heavy, so there's a reason it takes some time to load sometimes. So it mentions here under tools you have keyword planner, and it says discover new keywords. So I'll click on this. Is my screen visible to everyone? Thank you, Shivam, for answering that you have no doubt. Is my screen visible to you guys? Because this is something I'm showing it to you live. So, example, we search for digital marketing at the beginning of the lecture itself, as one of our student recommended that we wish to see digital marketing as a keyword. So, if you are an online seller of a digital marketing service or digital marketing course or SEO, social media marketing, Google AdWords, or you might be a website developer or anything. Okay, so digital marketing as a keyword becomes important for you. And if you wish to run an ad campaign for the same so that you come on top and people can see you, then here is a place wherein you can do all kind of a research. Okay, why digital marketing as a keyword is important for me. So I'll just click on get results and I'll try to find out that how many people are searching for this particular keyword. So I'll click on get results. and you can see 100K to 1 million people, and the cost per click is around 22.41. And if you wish to land up on top of the page, then the cost is really high. At the same time, you also see that Google is providing you with alternatives as well. Okay, let me just grab few keywords. So around 1896 keyword ideas are available. Okay, in order to do a proper research, what I'll do here is I will download all the data. So there is a download option here. I have downloaded the entire data. Okay, just for our understanding. So as you can see, okay, I'll pick up from largest to the smallest. Okay, so digital marketing has been searched by around 5 lakh times, and you also see the cost. Okay, and it's a low competition keyword, means there are many people who are not bidding on this kind of a particular keyword, but the search volume is very high. But most of the people, they go ahead and try to choose a keyword which is at a low cost. Okay, so I would recommend like 4.15. So whatever cost here it is given, we can always go ahead and bid for a smaller amount. Okay, how do we go about doing that? That is, first we'll have to spend some money on Google Ads. Then Google recommends us that you will have to make some changes in your ad campaign in order to get the best results. Okay, so when it allows us to make some changes, or we edit the campaign as per what Google says, so we edit on lot of stuffs, that is on our title or maybe on our description, or we go as per the ideas given by Google, and then it drastically reduces our cost on Google ad spend. Okay, but it happens only when we spend some amount of it, maybe 1000, 2000, or 3000 rupees on Google ads we spend for an ad campaign, and then it starts giving us the recommendations. Okay, but here we have come here, since we are a digital marketing company. Okay, we want to see that what is the highest searches on internet or on Google, and these are the number of searches. We'll focus on this because we want to put all these keywords into our website. Okay, why our website? Because as Mailchimp is coming on top, because somewhere down the line, okay, they have used this particular keyword, that is digital marketing, as a keyword, and they realize that this is the highest number of searches on internet, so they wish to bring their website on top without paying anything to Google. Okay, and there are a lot of visitors on Mailchimp. So let's see how many visitors does Mailchimp have in a month. Okay, so we'll go to a website name called Similar Web. Okay, Similar Web will help us understand that how much popular is Mailchimp. We are not talking about any company who is like getting a visitor of 1000 or 2000. Okay, we are talking about a billionaire company wherein you can see that the country rank and all this stuff. And They have a total visitor of 19.3 million. Okay, and pages per visit is 8.43, means almost 9 pages per visit by a user, and the average time spent is 8.31. That means one page 1 minute, because when we create an account on Mailchimp, okay, it goes through various pages wherein we have to fill all the details. So maybe that is the reason that it is almost 8 pages which we fill up when we create an account. So it all includes in that. And there is also called as a bounce rate. So what is a bounce rate? Most probably we'll be thinking, what is bounce rate, right? So have you ever gone through this kind of a situation when you are clicking on something, you are landing up on the page, but the page turns blank? Have you gone through this kind of situation? It turns blank and it does not give you any information. It is blank. You waited for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and then you realize it is a wastage of time. So you hit the back button on your mobile or on your desktop. Okay. So that is nothing but that is called as a bounce rate. That means MailChimp is losing out on business of 35.92%. Okay, let me tell you that Amazon is much worse than this. It loses out around 45% of their business just because of some pages not opening up on time. Okay, so uh, when pages does not open up, people just go to any other site, or they might log into some other apps. Okay, so it means as good as losing out on the business. Are you guys with me? Shraddha, thank you for always being attentive during the class, and you are answering everything. Okay, right. So we'll just check. So this is the keyword which you can find out for from Google Keyword Planner. Okay, and let's see something. We'll go to the Keyword Planner again. Okay, we'll click on Discover New Keywords again, and there is the second option called as Start with a Website. Okay, so if I don't know anything about, Mailchimp as my competitor because they are ranking on top. Okay, so my wish is to bring my website on top as good as Mailchimp. So I would love to know why this page is coming on top. Okay, so I will copy the URL. I will say, I'll give a command to Google saying that use only this page and get the results for me, that what are the keywords which MailChimp is using. So 100% digital marketing is a keyword. Okay, and you can see the other stuffs as well. So there are many other things which MailChimp is using. So around 2319 keyword ideas available. Okay, but we'll focus on the average monthly searches. That means the highest number of searches keyword. Okay, so that is what we can, and we can download this as well. Okay, so right now, if MailChimp is my competitor for this particular keyword and what they have done on their website, I can just pull up the content as well as the keywords. Okay, that what MailChimp is doing on their website without even letting them know. Okay, so these are the keywords basically which MailChimp is working on that particular website, on that particular page. Okay, and this is not what I am saying it, it is what Google is saying it. So that means we totally trust on Google, and we can identify the proper keywords which we wish to use it for our website. Guys, everyone with me? Hope I have cleared few doubts. Even if you haven't asked me, I have cleared few doubts uh, for digital marketing, how it works. This is kind of a first step which we have gone through for Google Ads, SEO, as well as we will discuss a few things about website and social media as well. Okay, so let me ask you, how many of you have created um, a Facebook account or a Facebook page? Everyone mostly has their Facebook account, right? So do you have? So there are companies who provide with brand names. Okay, if you have any idea, you can come here. And for example, if I have digital marketing as my business and this is my first step to start with, okay, so I'll just click and I'll just generate that what is the best name which I can use, so these are all examples which you can see. Okay, you don't have to use your brain in order to think about a brand name or anything as such. You just need to go on Google and search for proper things, and you get to know everything. Everyone is aware about Chat GPT as well. Do you guys use Chat GPT? Okay, so why do we use Chat GPT? Assignments. Perfect. Afifa. Parvez. So assignments is a thing wherein we use Chat GPT. Okay, any task given to us, and if we want to know for accurate information, Vaibhav says for accurate information. Good. Can we use it for website development and SEO? Can we use that? Correct. So we can use ChatGPT for website contents. Plus, as we have discussed about SEO title, meta description. So how do we go about doing that as well? So SEO gives us a good SEO title and description, which we can put it into our website and be happy with our SEO journey. Okay, so that that is there. So now, before we move on to social media, okay, I would I'll show you some things like I'll just log in to my portal for domain and hosting. Okay, just to show you that how website works and how easy it is to create a website. Because if you are joining for this particular digital marketing course, you will also create your website. As you can see here that there is this website is completely blank. Okay, so with few steps you can just go ahead and create your website. Okay, this website is completely blank. I'll just show you that you can create beautiful website, okay, just by few clicks. Example, we will choose anything which is lightweighted. So I'll click on this organic store thing, which is a small website, because this website is used by my student. So basically that student is not doing anything, maybe that's the reason I'm using this. So as we have seen that the website was completely blank, right? So right now, with just few clicks, we'll have the website good to go. Mm. Okay, it says we are building your website, finalizing last few settings, final finishing. Okay, so it is give me around the complete website is ready in just took 41 seconds to build. So let's click and view your website. So do you guys see the website which was completely blank? We have created this site with just 41 seconds. It is not me who is doing this. I'm doing it live in front of you. Okay. And if you have a product to display it online, okay, so you can go ahead and you can sell your product, okay, by putting your own details. That is, right now it is showing it in dollars. You can replace the product, you can set your payment gateway, and anyone, any end user can replace can place an order over here. Does that make sense, guys? How was it? I didn't do much on the website, but the website was ready with few clicks, and that's called WordPress. Okay, we have created this website on WordPress just to show you. How many of you liked it? Can you please give me a thumbs up or say yes on the chat board? Vaibhav, as in what kind of a explanation do you want? If you can be more specific, then I will start from there. Shraddha, yes, we have to pay for domain. That is example digitalshraddha.com. Okay, that's your domain name. Okay, then the space on the website. That means you are building this website on this space that is called hosting. Okay, so you are paying for digital Shraddha, you are paying for hosting. Okay, and then you are paying for the SSL certificate. That means your website is secured. Okay, not like any other websites, but your website is secured by this particular company and on internet. Okay, no one can steal your data. Shraddha, can you create website once more? See, this is a demo session. I can't just go ahead and create it once more. I wish to do it, but I would request you then you join for the program. Athira Rajan, I did it right in front of you. Maybe people can share recordings with you. Farzana can share recordings with you, which you can see it clearly. I did it in front of you. I didn't hide anything. Athira. Okay, that means during our course, you will learn how to create a website. You will learn about SEO, which is the most important part. Okay. Third thing, you will learn how, with the help of keywords, you can create ad campaigns, different type of ad campaigns, which runs on Google, on YouTube, on different channels or different other websites as well. Okay. Anyone has any more questions for me? Shraddha, hope I answered your question as well. That whether it is paid or do we have to pay? So yes, we have to pay in order to create such websites. There are also free websites as well, but you won't be able to do all this stuffs like the uh, other stuffs. Anyone has any questions for me? Pushpalochan, we'll share the recording with you so that you understand that how this website was generated. Okay, because it's just a demo session and this is something like a live thing which I'm showing, which no other will show you in a demo session. All this stuff. Okay, they will ask you to first pay, join the course, and then only they will show you. And I'll do the same thing. I'm not doing anything different, but I'm just letting you know that these are all possibilities which you can do during the training. You can create any kind of a website on WordPress. Okay, and you can create website for others. Okay, and earn money out of it. Okay, how you can create website for at a very low cost, I can show you that as well during the training. Okay, how many of you are aware about WhatsApp marketing? See, me saying no for few things like the website stuff, show me again, that means I'll have to go through an entire process. Okay, right from the scratch where it was blank. So I'll have to delete this website and then redo it all over again. Okay, which is kind of a time consuming activity. I'm just recommending this thing to the staff at Empirical, that they will provide you with the recording session if you wish to see it. Okay, so don't get me wrong, if I'm saying no for something, that means there are few things which are limited to demo sessions, which I can show you only once. And if you wish to learn everything right from the scratch, like how to purchase domain hosting, how to get this kind of a website, then that's a course for you, right? It's not everything which will be included in the demo session. Pushpalochan, hope I'm clear, and rest everyone who is asking me the same question again. I'm just making myself very clear on this part, and hope you guys will agree as well. Whatever I'm showing you in the demo session will be trained to you step by step in training. Okay, still any questions for me? Okay, Athira, thank you so much, Athira, for answering. Now we are also going to discuss about WhatsApp marketing. Do you get messages, if you have a bank account, do you get messages from your bank that this is the offer which is going on right now, and they keep on pushing you messages on your WhatsApp? Okay, even if you block them or report to WhatsApp company, okay, still they can keep on sending you messages, uh, because that's their official business account with uh, Facebook. I won't say with WhatsApp. It is an official account with Facebook, which is connected to WhatsApp API business, and which is connected to a kind of a dashboard from wherein they shoot out all the messages. Okay, so even I have my official account, which I use it for different businesses, wherein I can shoot like lakhs of messages at a time. Okay, and this is how it works basically. As you can see that these are the campaigns and the type of reply we received. You can see the percentage. So I run for different companies, different brands, and this is how we receive reply. Okay, sometimes if we shoot too many messages at a time, it will show you at risk. Okay, like how my account is showing. But after some time, when we slow down our, as I shooted 3 messages in a single day, so sometimes it says kind of you need to slow down your activity. But that is what is being shown over there. And it also provides you with ready made templates, okay, which is already pre-built for you. You can just click use the template you can wish to use. Okay, and you can add replies, like you can land up the user on our website. You can add your phone number, or you can add quick replies. Okay, you can also build an online PDF which you can ask them to click and view, and you can also give a button as well. So these are all different things which you can do on WhatsApp. And you can add all the users from here. You can add users, add contact, Okay, as you can see the contact details. So you can add in a CSV format, upload it, and then run a campaign for them. Okay, so how do we go about approving your own WhatsApp API will be covered in our training program, and what all documents and all the other details required, okay, will be shared to you during our training. And even you can have your WhatsApp dashboard, your own WhatsApp dashboard, wherein you can run WhatsApp campaign without your number getting blocked from WhatsApp, and you can run multiple campaigns for brands. Does that make sense? See, a person can ignore an ad campaign on Google. A person can ignore an ad campaign on Facebook and Instagram. Okay. But a person can rarely ignore my ad campaign on WhatsApp. There's a reason WhatsApp is becoming very popular in Indian market, wherein the result of WhatsApp campaign is much more higher as compared to any other ad campaigns or any other media platforms. You know, does that make sense? Whatever I'm talking, does that make sense to you guys? Yeah, so Vaibhav, how do we create one? Will be taken care of you during the training, okay? And what all things which is required during the training will let you know about the same. You create your business page with Facebook, and then you do all the stuff, and what all documents is required. You are an official registered license holder with government of India. Okay, and I'll guide you step by step when it comes to our training part. Okay, and all the online sessions which will be taken, okay, you get the complete recording of your online sessions, which you can have a view as many multiple times you want. Okay, and it will remain with you. So you can have a view of the videos, and you can do it practically, or during the live session also, if you wish to do it step by step along with me, then also it will be feasible for me. I will help you if you are stuck anywhere. Okay, so this is how our online session would be. There will be no PPT or no theory which will be run during our training. It will be 100% live, practical, and it will be fun when we engage the type of businesses which you wish to uh, bring your presence online. So if you are from real estate, you are from a fashion brand, if you are from a financial institution, IT, anything you wish to, okay, if you come up with that, then you will create your own brand and promote. So when we talk about brand promote, that means you need to have a business idea. But what about people who are searching for a job? Okay, let's see, does digital marketing has job opportunities in the market? Okay, so we'll go to our friend Google, and we'll ask digital marketing jobs. So Naukri is the first website which comes on top. So what is the first thing which they are saying? A requirement of SEO. Okay, and if you see here 0 to 4 years, it gives you a package of so and so amount. Okay, but let me tell you, it is much more than that. It is not just this is a kind of a very small amount. Maybe it is for an intern or a fresher. Okay, so the more number of years of experience you get, okay, so you get more salary. If I click on this, then digital marketing manager, 8 to 10 lakhs per annum, 5 to 12 lakhs. So there are people who have mentioned salaries, and there are also companies who have not mentioned the salaries. They are opening with Tata Capital as well. Okay, so in order to get through any kind of an interview, you need to have this knowledge in a practical way, not in a theoretical way. Okay, theory, you have a lot of books in the market, you can just read the theory. But when it comes to practical, that means the real world scenario, these companies will hire only those people who will have a real time experience of working on digital marketing. Now, since you guys might be fresher and might not be aware of how does it work, so our training will help you to understand how it works. And during an interview, you can crack this interview, not only talking about, maybe for an example, not only talking about the brand name, you will talk about their strategies for digital marketing. So I will show you few tools which will help you to understand them. Okay, so when you go for an interview also, okay, then you will talk more about Tata Capital rather than talking about yourself, because most probably in an interview, they tell you, tell me something about yourself, you say tell me something about yourself, and then you stop, right? And then you wait for the question to be asked by the digital marketing manager, maybe, right? So I would recommend that my students should have their own website as a digital marketer, as compared to, if there are people who are going for an interview, maybe 10 people are going for an interview, okay, not everyone will have their own website, okay, but my students, they will have their own website, they will go for the interview and they will crack it, okay. And I'll show you how to crack it when it comes to our digital marketing training, and you will be able to answer all their questions, okay. So there are many companies, means there are a lot of why we are here, just to let you know that there are a lot of job opportunities with different salary. And as you can see that the range is very high for digital marketing, okay, but you need to have an experience in the first place itself, okay. In To start up with that experience, our training program will be your first project. That means you will be creating your own brand, you will be promoting your own brand during the training, and you will try to bring your brand on top in your local area, or on few keywords which we will discuss during the training. Does that make sense? Okay. All right, Shraddha. Thank you. Anyone else who have questions? Athira? Okay. All right. Hope we all are on the same page when we are talking about digital marketing now. So we discussed about almost all part of digital marketing. Let me see. All right. So in social media, okay, since Facebook is the papa or daddy of all the other platforms, and Facebook has the highest number of users as compared to Instagram. Okay, so we create a business page on Facebook, and then you get to see that there are many options here which Facebook has given us in order to promote your business. Okay, if you have any kind of a physical product, you can promote it via marketplace. If you are conducting an event, you can capture it from here. Okay, if you wish to have your own group related to a particular topic or a product or service which you wish to sell, and target certain type of a group and ask them to join the group so that they can get the latest update from your own brand. Okay, so once the group grows, okay, then you get to know that there will be people, you become an influencer for others, and then people approach you for posting something on your group. Maybe you have 1 lakh people in your group, and then people approach you saying that I want to post something in your group, what is the cost? So you give them a cost, and then you allow them for certain post after approving it. Then you run different type of ad campaigns like brand awareness, reach, or lead generation campaigns from Facebook, and generate leads for yourself for any brands which you wish to promote. Okay, but for anything to start with, first you need to have your page. Okay, which is the most important thing. If you wish to run an ad, it won't allow you to run an ad until and unless you have created your page and you have accepted the terms and conditions of Facebook. A live event means whatever you are updating on your, if you have achieved something. Okay, so it will showcase that it is something very personal, which can't be used for which can be used by Facebook to promote reels, stories, post, which is very very common. Okay, so these are all things which we can do in Facebook. And we can also generate leads from Facebook without paying anything. Organically, we can generate leads. Okay, it's a little difficult task which will be shown to you during our training. Now, I will show you few magic also. Okay, because a demo session needs to have a wow factor. Okay, so we also have some tools which I will show you during the training, from where you can get it, how you can get it, or I can provide you during the training. Okay, that is, for example, if I want data for WhatsApp campaigns, so this is, for example, IT companies in Goregaon West, so I am extracting data of IT companies. Okay, this is called data scrapping. Okay, so once I, as you can see, it is 1556 results found, and you can also see that there are phone numbers, right from Virar till Churchgate. Okay, Churchgate or Kolaba somewhere, you know Churchgate, everything is covered in this location. Okay, so if I want to extract data, I don't have to do anything. I just have to click on start extracting. So once I click on start extracting, okay, this data will start extracting from Google. Okay, so 1557, it will go 1558, 1559, and so on. It will keep on extracting the data till I push it stop extracting. Okay, so this is how a data extraction works. sometimes it takes time. It is a time consuming activity, you can say. Do you see this? It will come automatically. So 1557, 1559, and it will keep on coming. Okay. How do we get this kind of data? From where? There are many software providers who will tell you that purchase this product, but most of them, I feel, is kind of a fake. It will work for a day or two, and then it will go off from your system. And when you contact them again, they will say that I don't know what you have done, but this is a one time installation. If you want to reinstall it all over again, then there will be a charge. Okay. So these are the kind of companies which they play game. There are also people who are providing WhatsApp senders. That means you extract the data and you put it on WhatsApp sender, but later on your number gets blocked. Okay, when your number gets blocked, you approach that particular WhatsApp sender company, and then you tell them that this is the issue which we are facing, but they will not be ready to help you, because this is a temporary thing which you are using. It's not a permanent thing like how I am using it. Okay. And this is kind of a permanent solution for WhatsApp, wherein your number does not get blocked. Okay. And this is an upcoming thing which is being used by all digital marketing agencies as well. Okay, for WhatsApp bulk campaigning, and they provide solution. There is also called as a virtual number WhatsApp, wherein in just 3000 rupees you can send it to 1 lakh people, but the result is nothing. Does that make sense? It does not make any sense, because we don't even know, like, how many people have received the message. Okay, because the agency, they don't let us know that how many people have received the messages, or any kind of analytics is not being shared. But when we talk about WhatsApp API, you get the complete analytics, like I have shown you. Okay, like the number of percentage the WhatsApp is received, read, and how many people have replied on that particular WhatsApp campaign. Okay. So this is one of the thing which I want to show you. Other than this, I uh, would love to show you a company name called Myra. Myra is a company who is providing website. Okay. Example, just we are talking about digital marketing. So I'll just put digital marketing in it. Okay. So I'll put digital marketing, select and continue. I'll put my name. My name is Nimesh. My email ID. Mm, I'll put my dummy email ID. Nimesh. Hey. Okay, great. All right. The email is already registered. Then I'll click on hey, the rate gmail.com. right? I'll just click on get started. I'll click on websites. I'll click on create new for digital marketing. Go to next step. I'll click on digital marketing, select and continue. I'll click on quick create and I'll select few themes over here. As a design, you can say, I like this design. Anything which has good pictures, I'll click on that. I don't have a logo right now. Okay. So I'll just click on next. I'll put my phone number as 999 and I'll create my website. You guys see my website is ready. Within few seconds, my website is ready with all the content in it along with my phone number which is being displayed here. With our vision, our story, our services, all type of things which we have just discussed during the demo session. And everything you can also edit everything. Okay, and it is not only one theme which has come up. There are around 30 lakh themes, 30 lakh 51,154. You see this is the kind of website which you can get from here. Okay, we are looking at the third one right now. As you can see here, I'm just showing it to you. Okay, it will cost you close to around 3000 rupees in order to get a website from here. You can edit everything and you can do your stuffs. Okay, but what is the negative point about it? This is a positive point that you get the website very quickly, but there are a few negative points about this company. That is, they are providing good websites at a very nominal cost. I would say 3000 is not that much. With all the features or the contents which are already present. Okay, the only thing which we are lacking here is SEO. Okay, this will be a good website to present someone, but to bring this website on top on Google, okay, might be very difficult for us. Or if you want to run an ad campaign and if you want to add coding at the back end. In digital marketing, you don't require any coding knowledge, but Google is providing us with a ready-made coding, and you need to know that how we need to copy and paste this code into our website at the back end. See, this is the back end which I'm just showing it to you. This is the back end where to put those codes given by Google. Okay, so this website they does not provide us with those kind of a platform wherein we can uh, come on top or to run kind of an ad campaigns or there are many loopholes behind this. But if you get a client who just want a website for a namesake, okay, you charge them 10 to 15,000 rupees. Come here, create the website in just 2,500 to 3,000 rupees and give it back to them because they just need website for a namesake. Okay, and whatever remains is your profit. Does that make sense? This is another way. But most probably many business owners, they would definitely look forward for a long time goal, not for a short time goal. Okay, so there's a reason they will not go ahead with this kind of uh, it's beautiful, but it uh, will be very difficult, or it is not possible. You will not find any website being built on Myra which comes on top on Google, okay, except for their own brand name. Okay. Our main goal is to bring our website on top of Google first page. Okay, so we have discussed about jobs, we have discussed about social media. Okay, everything which will be included in our training program in a practical way, no theory, and we'll go step by step in a very slowly and gradually manner, wherein you will get to learn lot of things. Any questions for me, for my attentive participants who have been interacting with me during the training? I won't name everyone, but I would name few like Shraddha. No questions. Athira, Prachi, Vaibhav, Pushpalochan, Vishal. Do you guys have any questions? If the course duration will be 3 months to 4 months, depending if you have any holidays or as such. Each session will be 3 to 4 hours, and if you want to talk about the fees, then empirical counselor whom you are in touch with, you can get in touch with them for the enrollment, as we are going to start up with the batch next week itself. So you can think about it, go ahead and register yourself. I would recommend you for this course, right from the creatives to online presence, from website to social media to WhatsApp marketing. Everything will be included in this program, which is going on in trend in digital marketing. Apart from this, you will also get to learn about remarketing. When someone is visiting your website, how do you retarget them? Okay, so that is also a part of your program that will be shared by your counselor, Hardik. So the course brochure, whatever we have discussed right now, it's a part of a training. So Hardik, the course brochure might have maybe some limited things, but I would say that it whatever is mentioned in the course brochure, it is more than that when it comes to the actual training. If you have anything during the training that this is something which is not covered in our program, can you teach me this? Okay, so we can also do that. So just don't think that this is a limited thing which I'm going to learn. I will show you ways wherein you can learn unlimited things. Okay, there is no kind of restrictions for learning. Hardik, hope I have answered your question. I think so. 100% you should be able to. That's the reason we are recording this webinar, right? Hardik, at the beginning of the session itself, it was recorded. As you can see here, everything is recorded. So it will be shared with you. So we have online as well as the offline course. Okay, online you can join from anywhere, and offline course we have our office in Kandivli. You can go there, you can personally meet. So where do you stay, Prachi? If you stay in Mumbai anywhere, then you can go there and Malad. So Malad to Kandivali is, I think, feasible. It's just near to Link Road, near the Dhanukarwadi metro station, I believe. The Dhanukarwadi metro station would be the most convenient thing for you to reach our office, Prachi. Kritika, almost yes, the workshop is over. Do you have any questions for me? Did you learn something, Kritika? Okay, thank you. I'm waiting for questions from your end. So if you have any questions, I'm waiting for your questions. If you give me questions, I have kept this last 15-20 minutes for you to answer all your questions. Hardik, thank you so much that if you have learned something out of this demo session. Okay. Athira says thanks for the class. Right, Kritika says no questions, sir. So out of around 24 participants, I have interacted with around 10 to 12 people in this session. Rest were silently absorbing what is going on in the class. Thank you, Hardik. Definitely, it will be very helpful when you are doing it on your own. It will be great. Okay, since I am doing it rather than me doing it, if you do it, then it makes sense for me. So if you wish to enroll for the program, this will be my last thing to say, that you can contact your course counselor and register yourself so that we can start from next Sunday at the same time. And it will go on for 3 to 4 months, and each session will be for three hours minimum. We'll give you break in that. We can chit chat related to individual businesses or individual topics. What you wish to learn, we can discuss when we join for the training, because every individual has different motive to start with digital marketing. As per my experience, they come up with different ideas. So how to put those ideas into online platform, that is what we can discuss. Okay, I'm still waiting for questions. Please don't hesitate to ask questions, or don't leave the session without a feedback. Your feedback is very, very, very important for us. It's a mixture of Hindi and English. Hardik, what do you prefer? Hindi and English both? I can speak Hindi, English, Gujarati, Marathi. I can speak lot of languages. and I'll be the one who will be taking your sessions. So yes, I do know Gujarati. I'm a Gujarati. Okay. Thank you, Athira. It's very informative class for you. Okay. Great. 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 Thank you so much. Aryan Gupta, you wrote nice words for me. That is, thanks for giving a great knowledge and demo. I really enjoyed the class. Okay. Yes, Hardik. No problem. We'll definitely get in touch with everyone as well as it doesn't matter whether it's Gujarati, Hindi, Marathi. For me, everyone is same. And my main role is to pay attention to each and every participant, whether it is a demo or it's a live session. Uh, Everyone should be on the same page is my main motive during the training session. Hardik. Hope your Sunday was good, and to make all the upcoming Sundays for 3 months, if you wish to learn something new, then this course will be right for you. You'll get to learn not only the things which I have shown you right now, it's just a trailer, you can say, and I'll get to show you tools which will be much more powerful than what we have seen today. So we can end the session today, all of you. Can we end the session for today? Thank you, Vishal, because I waited for your questions. If there is no question, then there is no point in waiting, right? So we can end the session. And if you wish to join, do contact your counselor today itself and get yourself registered for the program. Thank you, Afifa. Thank you, Aryan. Thank you, Vishal. Manodipan says, thank you for the great session. Thank you, Manodipan. It's just 1.5 hours we have done this session. I have tried my level best to provide you with almost all the inputs which you will be undergoing through the training. Right. Any more questions, guys? Yes, Hardik, you can leave. Yes, everyone can leave if you wish to. If you have any questions, I'm still waiting for another 10 minutes and then I'll end up with the session. Thank you, Hardik. The best niche name is you can refer to the site which I have shown you, and then you can, just put in your details and it will give you the best idea how you can generate your name. You can pick up anything related to real estate, fashion, uh, flowers, or anything which what is the type of business which you wish to promote during an online business. You can go to brand name generator, brand name maker, something kind of. These are the few sites which will help you to get a good name regarding your brand. You just give one keyword and it will help you. One, two, three, four, five. Anyone has any questions? All right. So, shall we end the session now? I'm going to end the session now, and we'll see you right? That will be provided by your course counselor, Nasleen. Welcome. I'm still waiting for a few more questions if you have any before we end up the session. If you don't have any questions, you can leave the session, no issues. Ranjana, Rupa, Chahat, Kirti, Shakuntala, Ashay Kumar, do you guys have any questions for me? Are you there? All right, I'll end up the session for everyone. Okay, and hope to see you next Sunday with our live practical class.